I'm Katie Perrin.
I'm Dan Perrin. We build custom furniture and cabinets.
We design and build custom furniture pieces, so dining room tables, coffee tables, and then any other kind of custom design that comes to us. We work with a lot of designers on projects that they've maybe come up with a design, or we'll collaborate together. We do a lot of commercial interiors, so you'll see our work in local restaurants, from tabletops, bar tops, to kind of back bar cabinetry type stuff. My favorite project to date was definitely the Guild project. When we were asked to do the lobby of their leasing office, we came up with this idea to do like a live edge wall sculptural piece.
The machine is a Lucas mill. It's made in Australia, and it's a very different type of sawmill. You know, it has a much wider capacity than most sawmills. You can put it on your shoulders and tote it in, anywhere. And then we use a builder's level or a transit to level all four corners of the mill, and you have to cut on a perfectly level plane for it to work right. Generally, it goes really well with 4 people. Kind of the more the merrier. When you're manhandling the slabs off of the piece, that's a different ball game as well. We were able to use the forklift, here at the shop, but that's not always a luxury that we have. So it's not as efficient. It's not a production mill, but you break it out when you have a spectacular piece that's really worth taking the time to cut. So.
A nod, huh? Really? It is.
Each and every home and every restaurant, it's all something to be proud of. People have stuff that'll last them a lifetime, and pretty much all of them, from the littlest vanity to a huge restaurant, it's all something to be proud of at the end of the day. And that's one thing that we really strive for, is everybody walks away at the end of the day happy with what they've done and happy with the product that we put out.